I know it might seem impossible to make your $500 online, but after watching this video, you'll see just how easy it can be. Today, I have a beginner-friendly strategy to share with you through which you'll be able to start making money online, regardless of where you're coming from and regardless of your skill level, because literally anyone can do this and get paid. You won't be investing money up front, you won't have to work hard to make it work or anything like that. And since I have a big bonus near the end to share with you, make sure you keep watching so you don't miss out on it. And with all of that said, let's get right into this tutorial. If today's method sounds good to you, smash that like button and let's get into it. In fact, let's start with a crazy recommendation. Just click the first link in the description box and you can get access to a done-for-you software that helps you go from $0 to $500 a day as a complete beginner. But please keep in mind that it is only available for the first 25 people who click the first link in the description and sign up. So if it's still available, you can get access to a done-for-you system and see the best way to make money online. Anyways, let's get back to the tutorial. So today's strategy involves freelancing websites, but you won't need to go on Fiverr.com, which I'm on now. Remember that I'm just using this site to show you something. You won't be using the site yourselves at all. For those of you who've never heard of freelancing sites before, on websites like this one, you can basically find a bunch of people called freelancers who will do all sorts of jobs for you. They range from video editing to voiceovers, article writing, design, and so much more. What I wanted to show you on Fiverr is how much money people are making by doing one particular type of job: article writing. When I searched for article writing on here, not only did I find thousands of people offering their services, but these people have all made thousands and thousands of dollars online, as you can see. All of these freelancers have a ton of reviews, so we definitely know that they are making a decent amount of money online. This is what I wanted to show you guys before you move on to the main platform you will want to use today. That this method has great potential and can get you paid big time. Without further ado, the very first site you'll want to go over to today is one called SEOclerk.com. This is another freelancing website, but unlike Fiverr, it is nowhere near as competitive. This is exactly the reason why you will want to use it, as that makes it perfect for beginners. Before you even think of doing anything like investing money, let's make it clear that you are not here to pay anyone for anything. You are here to make money. Before you can start making any money, you will want to sign up to SEO Clerk, and to do so, first click on the Join button in the upper right corner. They will then ask you to type in your username, email, and password, and you will have to type in your password twice for confirmation. Once you have all that info in these boxes, just click on Continue here. And what happens then is that they will ask you for a bit more info about yourself. More importantly though, they'll ask you whether you come as a customer or someone who wants to work. You want to choose someone who wants to work because, as I said, you are not here to pay anyone for anything. I think all of you can now guess what you'll be doing to get paid. You will want to write articles. However, if you are someone without any skills or experience, you can't do that. So let me assure you right now that I have a software that will literally do all of the work for you, so you don't have to. Just before we get to that software, I have a few more platforms to share with you that will also pay you for writing articles, so you are not just using SEO Clerk. One of the websites that you will all want to head over to is called Money Pantry. To access this page, just type into Google, "Get paid to write Money Pantry," and it'll be the first page that pops up. On here, you can find literally over 100 websites, as it says here, that will pay you for writing articles and blog posts. Also, as you can see here, some pay even as much as $3,000 per single article. This just once again goes to show the great amount of potential this has. And so what I need you to do now is head over to this website and find some sites that you feel are the best. Don't just look for websites that pay the most, but you want to find sites that do not need any sort of experts. This will allow you to start making money online much faster in the end. If you're wondering how many sites you should sign up for, I recommend at least 5. When you finish signing up for all of them, the only piece of the puzzle missing now is the software I promised you a while back. So let's go to that website right now. The website in question is this one right here called writesonic.com. As the name of this website suggests, as you can also see on the homepage, this will indeed write articles for you free of charge. Not only will you get your articles written for free, but this website can also do so much more. Through this website, you will be able to generate Facebook ads and YouTube ads, and most importantly, you can see that this website has been rated 5 stars by thousands of people. This just goes to show you that this platform is legit and actually works. Before we continue, it's worth noting that this platform is not 100% free. However, if some of you remember, in the intro I did say that you won't be investing any money up front. And that is precisely the case because this site gives you free credits that you can then exchange for an article. In other words, you can get paid for a single article and then take that money and invest it into the site. However, we're getting a bit ahead of ourselves here. What you have to do when you come onto this website now is sign up for free by clicking on this button. The actual info you'll have to type in, I will skip this time since it pretty much is the same information you had to type in over on SEOclerk.com. When you log in, this is what everything will look like. You will now gain access to a bunch of the products this site has to offer. The one you are interested in is the AI article writer, and so you want to type that into this box here. And then you'll want to click on AI Article Writer 2.0. This is the newer version of their previous software that is fantastic to say the least. Anyhow, on the following page, you'll now be able to generate an article for free. Keep in mind that you'll only have enough credits for one. So what you want to do is what I mentioned briefly before. Get someone to pay you for an article. It doesn't matter if that someone is from SEO Clerk or from one of those previously shown websites. What matters is that you get paid, and then depending on what you get paid for, you will generate an article with this site. The truly awesome part here is that the article will not seem robotic. In fact, it will be extremely professional, and so your customer is most definitely sure to be satisfied with it. When you send that article back, you will now have money in your pocket to actually pay for this website. For merely $15 a month, you will now be able to literally earn thousands of dollars online. As you've all seen, both on Fiverr and that website from before, people are charging a ton of money for article writing. But those people all have to do the work themselves. You, on the other hand, won't have to. It does not get any easier than that. And that wraps up today's tutorial. If you've learned something new today, be sure to hit the thumbs up button down below and comment any thoughts or questions that you might have. We love hearing from you guys. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you can be alerted every time we upload a brand new money-making method that you simply do not want to miss out. See you in the next video.